and suddenly when I went to reach 4th gear, the clutch suddenly felt really surprisingly light, and I instantly knew something was wrong. Just taking the truck for a little test drive. I'll explain more, but clutch and everything just feels so much tighter. This feels like how it should have, so this is a good sign. Just looping it around to make sure everything is good. So it's gonna be extremely loud in here. I'm not even gonna point the camera at me because it is extremely dark. Probably won't be able to hear me that well. Doesn't really matter right now. What does matter is the mechanical stuff that is now fixed. The clutch is fixed. The wheel bearing is fixed. Like, it feels like how it should have been when we first got it, and it feels great. So we just drove 2 hours up to the guy to get the truck back, and now we're driving 2 hours back home. Because I don't know when the last time I had an oil change was. The sticker is peeled off on the window, so probably best just to do it myself. We're also doing an oil change on that because that's going away in the winter. The oil was changed, as you saw. New oil filter. The oil looked pretty dark, so it's a pretty good thing that we changed it, and now we're doing the Volkswagen, and then we're getting out of here. Back in the garage. I don't have the door open because it is freezing outside. It was actually snowing yesterday, but we got the oil changed on the truck, so that's all set for the winter. We'll have to change that for a little while, and I'll just give you guys a little update on the cars while I'm here. These two, they're going away very soon since it's almost the middle of November, and like I said, it's starting to snow, so these cars won't be out until spring, which sucks. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to subscribe, and I'll hopefully talk to you guys in the next video.